hell. I tell you what, it was close, that was,
Yeah.
John. Your hair.
Go on, Stephen! Oh, it got away, it got away! A good flight, that. Go on, Stephen! Oh, it got away, it got away!
There it goes.
Bastard's still going across there. Go on. Gone into the wind, Stephen.
Oh, that's going towards us as well, that's out.
Go on.
The wind's going to go into the wind.
Yeah, it's gone into the wind again.
Yeah. They know, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, they bloody know.
They're just like...
I've seen the air courses that one come up here. It's not very good for coursing because within 2 seconds they're off the floor. You must be lamping them.
They're a lot bloody faster than the Eagles, aren't they? Bloody hell, you ain't got to wait around, have you?
One down there, Stephen.